Today we're at Summerlin Mall, Las Vegas, Nevada. We got a customized layout of a newer Series 2. Listen to this. So notice Gen 2. The layout's interesting. Alright, it's up to 3. Right, we're gonna go to 1, and we're gonna get off there. Get our cab view, your basic elevator. Those are your buttons, newer Series 2, with a customized layout. Not something you see every day with a customized layout. Well, but anyways, there it goes, that's it, and bye. Today we're at Downtown Summerlin. Parking garage. In Las Vegas, Nevada. We're in the one across Macys. Let's do a cab view. Rather basic elevator. Last time something was right there. Alright, up to 4. Those are your buttons, they're Series 2. Alright, we're gonna go down to 2, we're gonna get off there. Anyways, there it goes, that's it, and bye. Right. Remember this elevator? Oh, it doesn't nudge anymore. That door operator is a bit loud. Alright, these are newer Series 2 fixtures. Things are rockets. There's our friend, security camera, or big brother, however you want to say that. Gonna go to 1 and we're gonna get off at 2. But it doesn't do like what it did in September of 2021. Basic elevator. Alright, let's go up to 2, let's get off there. Anyways, there it goes, that's it, and bye. Macys Downtown Summerlin. Right. Skyfeeder Productions has also filmed this elevator here too. I like that lighting. Very European style chandelier. But anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye. Alright. Today we are at Dillards Downtown Summerlin, Las Vegas, Nevada. We got a KSS 570 here, and I'm gonna have to talk over the music for copyright reasons. That's your button, KSS 570. Here it is. Right, let's go up to 2. It's got an annoying fan on. It's a nice elevator. Right, up to 2. Your buttons, KSS 570. Nice elevator. But anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye. Alright. Okay. Epic fail. Today we're at Downtown Summerlin Mall. It used to make big bumps last time, but now it doesn't. Alright, let's go up to 2. Alright. Quick view over there. Let's do a cab view. This elevator looks nice. Those are our fixtures. Newer Series 2. But anyways, there goes. That's it. And bye. Right. Today we're at another elevator in the Summerlin corridor. A different one this time. Look at that. Epic fail though. There's a light burning out right there. And up to 2. How you going up?
Oh, sorry about that. Yes.
Just an elevator enthusiast. It's this weird thing on YouTube.
No, just go ahead.
Let's listen to it. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just a basic tin can though. Alright, we're gonna go to 2, we're gonna get off there. Alright, let's get off at 2. Anyways, there goes, that's it, and bye. Alright guys, today we're at Downtown Summerlin corridor. Wow, this thing's pretty big. Only in about like 2 weeks, we're finally back at this Alligator. Big bump. Just a basic elevator for a mall corridor. Anyways, we're gonna go to 2. Yeah, that does not look promising. Let's go to 2. Alright. We're gonna go to 1, we're gonna get off at 2. There's an elevator door. Anyways, it seems pretty slow at the door. Big bump. Again, a basic elevator, no handrails. Yeah, this thing's kind of seen some loads. Yeah. That door's kind of squeaky. Kind of squeaky. Alright, let's go up to 2 and let's get off there. There it goes, and that's it. And bye. Alright guys, today we are at Bassett Furniture. Let's get the call buttons in the full frame here. This is a normal hydraulic one, not a hydrofit. Thought this was a hydrofit at first, but it's actually a hydraulic. Anyways, Otis Series NS2. Listen to it. Takes a little while, but not bad. There goes the door. It's good cab view. It's a decent elevator for a furniture store. I'm not sure most of you guys have seen this elevator in a while. Anyways, that's a VR button. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it. Bye. Alright guys, today we're at Downtown Summerlin Management Office. Look at this cab. It's big. Let's go up to 2. Listen to it, I think. It's a decent elevator for a management office. But we are not going to take a second ride because this isn't a management office. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it. And bye. Alright guys, today we're at Downtown Summerlin Management Office. And I got an Otis series, newer series to the right. This is in the management office. Near Victoria's Secret, right across the street from it. Oh wow, this thing's a big chungus. Let's go to 2. I think we have a motor ahead. Big bump. It's just a nice elevator for mall management. I think we can go up to 2. Alright, let's go up to 2 and let's listen to it this time. Let's get off there. Yeah, big bump. Those are your fixtures. Newer series too. Anyways.